In the 2021 Global Gender Gap Index report, which highlights gender gaps and tracks progress towards closing these gaps, Nigeria ranks 139th out of 153 countries, highlighting widespread gender disparity in the country. To bridge this gap, the World Bank and the government of Nigeria developed the Nigeria for Women project, a long-term strategic engagement partnership to help the government's goal of ensuring gender equality. To support this, the Ogun State Government has just rolled out grants to beneficiaries in the state of the Nigeria for Women project and disbursements to enrollees of the Oko'wo Dapo for Women, an initiative launched by the Governor of Ogun State, Prince Dapo Abiodun.
When we all begin to realize that advocating for women's equality is about embracing diversity and the unique value women bring, then the work is already half done, and we will begin to see better results across different aspects of our society. Financial independence is another important topic that we need to address, because studies have shown that women are less likely to study courses leading to finance careers. They need to be empowered on efficient ways to manage finances.
Indeed, a 2018 World Bank report stated that countries all over the world put together are losing up to $160 trillion in wealth due to differences in lifetime savings, lifetime earnings between men and women. This figure is staggering. The good news, though, is that the narrative is changing as gradually women are getting more educated and they're getting more and more career-driven, at least compared to the days of our mothers.
Over at the MKO Abiola Stadium, the Governor of Ogun State addressed guests on the progress of these initiatives in the state so far, announcing his administration's plan to support by rolling out grants to beneficiaries and enrollees of both the Nigeria for Women project and the Oko'wo Dapo for Women initiative.
Therefore, at this flag-off ceremony today, we are going to witness the first phase of the disbursement of the individual livelihood grants to 2,094 women beneficiaries. We have also devised other approaches to the development of our women folk. Among these are capacity building for 500 female entrepreneurs across the state, empowerment of 2,500 women across the state with 100 million naira. On this note, I wish to state categorically that disbursement will be in phases. I enjoin our beneficiaries today not to see this assistance as their own share of national cake. Instead, they must see it as an avenue for an economic empowerment through which they will be gainfully employed, improve their productivity, increase their income and earning capacities, and expectedly become net employers of labor.
The bedrock of the project is based on community ownership, with community members actively involved in every phase of project implementation. In simple terms, the women come together and form a savings group. They keep excellent records, and they are being taught by people who we call ward facilitators on how to improve their financial skills.
The best news of the day is what we heard, that Ogun State has taken this program and is expanding it from 3 local governments to all the remaining 17 local governments in Ogun State. I can think of no better way of making Ogun State kind of move forward in terms of bringing economic prosperity to everyone.
Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, as at the 31st of March 2022, the entire project recorded a total of 11,491 women affinity groups nationwide, with a total membership of 245,069 women.
The governor also announced that he will be signing an executive order into law for 35% affirmative action for women in politics in Ogun State, stating that he is committed to the total emancipation of women in the state.
The executive order is for the establishment of the Ogun State Women Inclusion and Equal Opportunities Bureau. The establishment of the Ogun State Women Empowerment, Inclusion and Equal Opportunities Bureau. This will ensure that we have the minimum required representation of 35% of women, not just only in government, but it's also in politics.
I'm actually very excited about this executive order because, as you know, women are very strong. They have a strong voice. Women are loyal. Women are driven. They can make a difference. So empowering them, just especially when it's backed up by law, is just a big win for women in Ogun State.
So far, the Nigeria for Women project has been successfully implemented across 3 local government areas in Ogun State, and 37,000 households have benefited from the support provided through the initiative. The Oko'wo Dapo for Women initiative is targeting 360,000 women across 20 local government areas of the state. By investing in and empowering women through these projects, the hope is that more women will not only be more financially independent, but better represented in Nigeria's polity. Laila Johnson-Salami, Arise News.